In last week's birthday vlog, you got to see me get ready for work, go on a dinner date with my favorite co-workers, prep for my birthday party a day before. I also got my hair braided and tried to install this $20 Shein wig, and let's just say that thing did not come out with a fight. I went to a buffet with my family and got to spend time with my loved ones as a pre-celebration, all leading up to my actual birthday. Good morning, everyone. My room is an actual disaster, but I don't care because it's my birthday. I decided to take out my wig braids because I don't know why. Like, it was just hurting so much, and I vomited my whole life out yesterday. Like, that Mandarin food, it did not stay. I thought it was food poisoning. I was gonna wake up Aaron to take me to the hospital, but then I was like, don't do that. But now I'm okay. This is my little outfit for today. I'm just gonna quickly go do some errands with errands with Aaron. Errands with Aaron. Yeah, that makes sense, yeah. But yeah, it's this little girl's birthday. I love my birthdays. I'm so happy.
Because I feel like every year that you're allowed to live is a blessing within itself.
But yeah, this is what 27 looks like. Oh, I can't believe I'm 27. I'm at my favorite place right now. I am at Panera. You want to show them? So here's my chicken BLT focaccia sandwich. Chips on the side. This used to be free, but now it's 50 cents. Happy birthday to all the babies in April. It's too cold. Okay, what the hell is happening? Why is the chicken cold? It's like frozen cold, like fridge cold. Ew. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I'm trying to be positive.
I don't know what this is.
That's freaking cold though. Why is the tomato different? Why is the chicken cold? Why is the bread cold? And then they're like, oh, we just changed the bread. I was like, can I have the focaccia bread? So I didn't think anything of it. I'm like, tasting the sandwich. I'm like, bro, this is not the sandwich. Like, how could they change the whole sandwich? Guys, Aaron brings it back. Tell me how I didn't order the right sandwich at all. Talking so much shit. It was the wrong sandwich the whole time. But they're making it. God bless them. I hope they don't spit in my food. If they do,
no, they probably will. I'm out here being wrong and strong, like, nah, that's crazy.
Usually Aaron never does that actually. Aaron will just, like, he'll leave it, but I think because it's my birthday.
Oh my god.
Is that why? Because it's my birthday, he wants to be special and help me out. Because Aaron usually not do that. This is the actual sandwich. It smells so freaking good. It has red peppers, avocado, chicken, a chipotle sauce, cilantro. Oh, and it's hot as shit. And the chicken's actually hot too. Guys, this is it. This is what I came for. This. I'm at my second favorite place in the world for my birthday. This place is a must. It's always a must. It's been like forever a must. The one year that I didn't do this, I regretted it. But it's Dairy Queen. Ice cream cake is the way for my birthday. Also cheesecake, but ice cream cake just, I have to. It's like for my birthday parties, always. But come with me guys, come with me. You know what's crazy? I've been trying to make Aaron buy this ice cream cone for months. And it's finally here. The day of my birthday.
My birthday.
Come on guys. I love birthday cakes. Last year I did like this size, but this year I think I'm gonna go back to my big square one.
Oh.
Money.
Yeah, but
Money. Crazy about my money. Crazy about my money.
should I just get a blue cake? Okay guys, we just got the cake and Aaron offered me the cone that I wanted, but I just feel so sick so I didn't get it. But he bought me my cake too. Can you say spoiled? The last place I wanted to go to for my birthday was to get a car wash. It's the most satisfying car wash of your life. I actually really love this car wash. It's so therapeutic, I swear to you guys. I'm like, they deep clean the shits out of your car. Deep fucking clean. It's so quick. The last step you get to do is you get to choose your flavor of smell in the car. We always go for this one, the cherry one. But I like green apple now too. I don't know. And there you have you guys, my new baby. Gracias.
De nada.
See guys, how beautiful. Clean, 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 clean. Look at that, man. A brand new car, I swear to gosh. I don't know how the frick they do it. Like, I've paid $300 before for a car wash, and I can't believe it. This is only 40 bucks. As you guys can see, I'm a little red and flushed from vomiting all day yesterday. Well, basically this morning, but it is finally time. I'm getting ready for my birthday. I'm actually getting ready kind of late because I was like, you know what, I'm not feeling well. Let me lie down. Let me get this energy back in me. I don't know if you guys want to watch this or not. Maybe fast forward the process so you guys can get bored. But yeah, come get ready with me. I don't know. I'll be back. It's a little darker than what I wanted, but we're gonna have to stick with it because we literally have no time, so I have to like get my makeup done now. And then I do this. Here, I'm gonna go like this. So my face might look a little cakey, but that's because I have to put like extra powder right now. And I don't know why I'm acting like right now I don't know how to do my makeup, but I feel like I don't. Like, I don't know what it is. I want it to be there early so that I can, you know, just take my pictures and not have to bother like anyone later on, but it's not looking good. It's not looking good. Hopefully with the wig it looks better, but I'm really upset. My whole foundation here, like, I don't know, I used the wrong spray, and when I sprayed it, it completely took all this off. But I literally don't have time to redo it. I wish I did have time, but I'm so mad right now. I'm so mad. I did it yesterday, but I did it yesterday wrong, so I'm gonna try again today. All because I didn't want to pay for makeup and hair. Happy birthday to me, though! Oh my god, am I gonna cut my hair? No. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, you know what? Maybe that makes sense. Duh, right? I don't know. Or maybe it was supposed to be dried in order to do this. Oh, shit. Sorry, this is so shit. Okay. Okay. I'm learning. Oh, no, it's not, like, cutting properly. Oh. Because it's not connecting. Like, it doesn't hold at all. I don't know if I'm doing this right or wrong. Actually, I know I'm doing it wrong. It's the part that like always comes out. I don't understand why. Okay, it's not right what I'm doing. Shit. I don't know. Shit. I don't. Okay. Okay, period. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing right now. They say love is good to see. Oh wait, I didn't even put glue. Oh my god, I keep messing up. I don't understand this, so we're just gonna put glue everywhere. Where's the front? Oh, I see what's the problem. Okay. It just doesn't go behind my ear. Like, what do I do? This is so chaotic. I think next time I should just be so. Oh gosh, I'm cutting into it. Oh gosh. Oh my god, I don't know. And I do a lot of stuff in my life, you know, a lot of dumb stuff, but this is probably the dumbest idea I've had in a while. Oh my god, I know, I get it. I get it, world. I get it. I get it. How do I cut outside of the wig? How? Cut my face right there. I'm from Vegas.
You do.
Is it like a chauffeur? Aaron's outfit. He's matching me.
Happy birthday, Diane. You're soon 30, so like, prepare yourself for kids.
Happy birthday, much love.
It's really bright. It's really bright.
I know.
Yo, bless up my dogs, them, Diane, on our birthday. You know what I'm saying? Happy birthday, Diane.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Guys, wait, this is my birthday too. It's his birthday too. Happy birthday! Love you so much. 27 years. Driving. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Diane. You look so good tonight.
Happy birthday.
Guys, these are my friends. Happy birthday! I love you, Diane. You're such a good sister. You're such a good stepmother. Happy birthday, Diane! I love how you treat Valentina. She's such a great person because of you. Wait, Michael, get out of here. Hi guys, I'm going a little bit. I love you.
You already broke the two, eh?
Oh my gosh! Why is this sinking? Why is this sinking?
I don't know what happened, bro.
Oh my gosh! You had one job. One job.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Diane. Happy birthday to you.
Are you what? Totally appreciate it. Yeah, I truly appreciate it. I love all the gifts. I love all the people. I love all the things. And thank you guys so much for my birthday. I did not record anything yesterday. Like, I tried my best to record some things, but it was just like really hard. It was like living in the moment, living with your friends, catching up and stuff. So it was so much fun. And today my mother, my beautiful mom, she's making us barbecue right now, so we're gonna have barbecue. So it's like another birthday. So I'm so happy, I'm so grateful. I want to thank God for everything, for allowing me to live, for allowing me to have this family that I have, to have the friends that I have, my pets, my work, my everything. Thank you, God, for everything. God did. That is how you guys do barbecue. Yeah. We're gonna come with us.
Bet.
Uh-oh. No.
Oh shit, that's, yo, I gotta trade that one in, bro.
I gotta trade that one in. I can't do that. I gotta trade this one in, bro.
A co-worker's dinner, I had a family dinner, I had my own birthday party, I had the family barbecue yesterday, and then now I'm ending it off by getting some good food. I'm back at my favorite spot. But the hostess was so nice. I was like, can I please get a booth? Because everyone right now is watching me right now, but I really don't care. My birthday lunch.
Ooh, yeah.
Wait, where's the flash? Guys, look at my drink.
I don't know.
Wait. Yeah. Yo, Aaron's making fun of me right now.
Bro, why are you so mysterious drinking juice, fam?
This is for pictures. Now I'm thinking that was dumb.
What the fuck?
Wait, because I'm
Like, what are you drinking, bro?
Thank you for all the birthday wishes. I had so much fun. I did so much things. I can't believe I'm 27, by the way. I feel so freaking old. I can't believe it. We're old for young. 20s are the new... No, that's not even the right way to say it. 30s are the new 20s. Yes. Anyways, you guys, make sure to like and subscribe. And as always, love it, hate it, but just enjoy it.